Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Next Plans, and of course, I remain your one and only Olawale Yusuf. Now, today we are going to be talking about something very important on nativecamp. A lot of people have been complaining about having issues with microphone, or people not hearing them, or students not hearing them whenever they're trying to have lessons on nativecamp. So today, I bring you good news: how to actually fix your audios and videos issues on nativecamp. So are you a teacher on nativecamp already teaching, but some days you just tend to just have issues like your student keep complaining that they couldn't hear you, or you couldn't hear them but they could hear you, or simply your video just keep malfunctioning over and over again, and you want to know how to actually fix this issue? Then this video is going to solve that for you. Or are you simply just aspiring to get on nativecamp, but whenever you try to do your demo lesson, admins keeps complaining that they can't hear you? Does that sound familiar? Hey teacher, I can't hear you. They simply type into the chat box and said, oh teacher, they can't hear you. Then this video is for you. So I'm going to be teaching you guys in today's video how to actually fix audios and video issue right on the platform on nativecamp and off the platform for you that haven't joined the platform yet. So if you're an upcoming teacher, it's for you, and if you're already a teacher, then this video is also for you. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, guys. Smash the bell icon, so whenever I drop beautiful videos like this, you'll be one of the first few people to join my video. And for you guys that are already a subscriber, congratulations. But don't forget, hit the thumbs up button and share this video to your family and friends so they also could benefit from what you are benefiting right here on Nextland. So I don't want to waste your time for today. Let's flow right into the video and get right started. So right here, today is on the 1st of September, so you can see we've got a clean straight right here. This is how it looks like on the 1st of every month. Now, look at this board right here. If you're already a teacher, now this is for you. Look at this stuff right here. Everything's always like this. Why this is going to be closed? This is probably going to be closed. 1 minute. Okay, this is how it looks like. So you want to come down right here to tools and click on tools just once. Then it's going to display all these stuffs. Now, the important one we're going to talk about today is this. We're going to use the environmental check. Click on the environmental check and you're going to get something like this. Now, this is what you're going to get. Now, this is what this does. The first one, number one, you want to talk about, it's going to help you check if you are using the recommended browser. It says, are you using the recommended browser? Now, let's click on check. You can see it's just marked right away. Why? Because I'm using the recommended browser. Now, which browsers are the recommended browser? We've got the Chrome browser and of course the Firefox browser. So if you're not using any of those two browsers, then you're probably going to be having issues with nativecamp often and often. That's just it, because nativecamp platform is optimized for these two browsers alone. Now let's check number two. Number two says check your internet speed. Now right now in Nigeria, we've been having lots and lots of issues with internet speed. So if you're a Nigerian, most especially, you've got to always check this before you even try. Before you even try to go on nativecamp or to have a test with an admin or to even teach. That's just the bitter truth, okay? Now you can see it says preferably download speed should be at least more than 5 Mbps. Why it says your preferable upload speed should be at least more than 1 Mbp. Now let's check if mine even meet this threshold. I don't want to know. I've been having serious network issues since morning, but let's give it a try. Let's see if I'm going to meet the threshold. So we're looking at least 5 Mbps for the download speed, and we're looking at least 1 for the upload speed. So let's see the download speed and the upload speed. Now let's click here. We're going to click go, and it's going to loads up and going to tell us the download speed and the upload speed. So let's check this out. So I'm going to click go right now. Now let's see. Now do your work, bro. Now this is what we're talking about. You can see the network is still giving me issues. Right now I want to check the network. I want to check if the network is actually working right. And I'm still having network issues while checking if the network is working right. This is pretty cool, isn't it? But no problem. Let's just check this. Okay. So we're having something loads right here. Okay. I think it's loading. Oh, is it loading? Oh, okay. I think it's loading. Okay, let's see if we meet the threshold of upload speed and download speed. Let's see. Even though I know this is going to be bad, but let's just see. Oh, oh, oh. Now this is very bad. As you can see, guys. Guys see the download Download MBS says 0.05. Now this kind of network is not suitable for anything. So me going online now trying to teach on nativecamp is pretty useless. Okay, very useless. With this current network, I'm not going to be able to take any class successfully. Now, this is one of the reasons why you need to always check this out before you go. Okay, so if you check this and you feel that's okay, all you just have to do is to try and fix your network. Now, I'm going to try and fix my network and get back in a jiffy. Now, give me a minute, guys. Alright guys, now let's check this out one more time. Okay, I'm gonna be checking it out one more time. If I still didn't meet the minimum of this, which is like at least 5 Mbps and upload piece at least 1 Mbp, then I'm just gonna leave it right now and let it go. But I'm advising you guys, don't try to go online and teach on nativecamp if you're already teaching, and don't try to go online for admin as a demo lesson if you are not checking this speed test. It's very important. These are what things that make your classes stable. I mean, your class is going to be like stable, and you're going to be able to teach comfortably, okay, and without any buffering here and there. So let's click go and see if we have something better this time around, even though I'm not sure it's going to be better. Oh, cool. Now this is better. This is better. Oh, this is better. Good. This is good. Now, this is what I'm talking about. Now, this is kind of network I can use to actually go online on nativecamp and teach. Now, we have download speed, which is 6.25 Mbps, and we're supposed to have at least minimum of 5 Mbps. Isn't that cool, guys? Now, let's check the upload speed. Let's check us. Oh, upload speed is in the moon. Now, this is beautiful. Now, this is the kind of network that we need, okay? This is what we need. We have upload speed of our 19.80 Mbp. That's crazily more than the minimum of 1 Mbps. Now, this is good. This is good. So all we just have to do is to click yes and we move forward. Now, I'm not going to be clicking on checking this or is your camera working properly. Why? Because I'm actually recording this video and I'm recording with my computer. So I'm using the camera on my computer screen to record this video, which means I won't be able to check this even if I want to check. Then the other one which says, can you hear your own voice also? I won't be able to do that even if I try to, because I'm also recording this with my computer. My mic is connected to my computer, so it's not going to be able to like use the same audio together at once, if you get what I'm talking about. But all you just have to do is to come right and click this check, and it loads up, and it's definitely going to show you on the screen to show that your camera is working perfectly. Then you click this, your own voice is going to tell you to talk. You're going to talk, and you're going to hear what you just said back in on your headphone. And the last one is going to show your video. You're going to show how you're moving here and there. That's just it, and you are good to go. So that's how you fix this issue as a teacher already on nativecamp. Now, if you're not on nativecamp yet and you're just someone who's trying to get on nativecamp and you want to do a demo with an admin, then no issues guys. But the first thing you just have to do is to come right here to the speedtest.net. I'm going to drop the link in the description below after the nativecamp login link, of course. Come down here to speedtest.net and do this speed test. Okay, after you do that, you see that you have anything above 5 right here, and of course you have anything above 1 right here, then you're good to go. Then the next thing is to go right to Google and type audio check online. This website is going to give you lots. Google is going to pop out lots and lots of websites, but you could just check the first 3 or just the first one, no big deal. Now this is the first one right here. We've got mictest.com. Now what this platform does is help you check your microphone and help you test your webcam. But of course I'm not going to be able to do that because I'm also still connected to my laptop. But this is just pretty how it works. You can see it says several microphones were detected. Of course my laptop has a microphone, and of course I connected this also into what they call this thing, into a sound card that I'm using with also my laptop, so we can use everything together at once. Okay, but let's see, let me try and click one of these ones and see if it's actually gonna work, even though I'm pretty sure it should not work. But let's see. Now let's click test. Let's see. Is it gonna work? Oh, it's working. Wow, pretty cool. Okay, so it's working. Now you can see the way I'm talking, this is moving, it's moving. Every time I talk, it's moving. Every time I talk, it's moving. Now let's keep short. You can see, guys. So every time I say something is moving, and this is how you know that your microphone is actually working. The way I'm talking is keep moving, and even they even ask you to say, please say hello or make some noise. The test to record the sound, capture your mic, and you will be able to play it back after the testing. Now, the testing was completed successfully, and it seems your microphone works pretty well. All details about the mic, blah 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 blah. Now, all you want to do is to come right here and play, just to be sure that it works perfectly. Now, let me play and see if I'm. Oh, cool. It's working. Wow, pretty cool. Yeah, so I'm just hearing everything I said earlier in my headset. So this is cool. Now, that's all. Now, if you want to check your webcam also, you could just come right down here and click test webcam. And I'm pretty sure this should not work because, of course, I'm using my webcam. Because I'm recording also, isn't it, guy? Okay, because I'm actually recording, so I'm pretty sure this should not work also. But let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Let's see if it's gonna work or it's not gonna work. Okay, so right here we have. So right here we have it. Right here it says a web camera was detected. Press test my cam blah blah blah. But it says it looks like your browser is blocking access to web cam identifier. Because of this, it's impossible. And the reason why it's blocking access is probably because I'm using the webcam right here. Of course, I can't use the webcam in two places at the same time. Okay. The reason why I was able to switch within this microphone the other time is because I'm not actually using my laptop's microphone. Okay, and you can see I have this connected. I have this also connected, so I was able to switch to this one. Okay, so I guess the recorder was using this obviously, so I was able to switch to this and use it because this is what I always use on nativecamp. Okay, this is only used to record my videos, so we won't be able to do that right now to check the video. If not, I'm going to be able to check the video and show you, but we're not going to be able to do that. So this is just what you need to do. You check the audio, you check the video, and you come right now to this speedtest.net and you also check. Okay, guys, now if you're just tuning into this video for the first time today, guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Come on, guys, hit the subscribe button. Is the minimum of thing you could do for learning the little thing that I've taught you today. And of course, you have still got the opportunity to learn lots and lots of things on my channel right here on Nestman. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, bang bang bang. So whenever I drop beautiful videos like this, you'll be one of the first few people to get to enjoy, and of course share with your families and friends, and give us a thumbs up if you love this video. And if you have a question, go over to the comment section below. Tell me what you need. Tell me what you want. Oh, next time I want to drop a video about this thing next because I'm having issues with this. I'm definitely going to drop it. Now, this is not a bye for now. I'm going to be dropping a new video very soon. Stay tuned to my channel. Hit the subscribe button. Be a subscriber. Be a family. Go down below. In the description, you're going to see a link to my WhatsApp community. Come on, join the WhatsApp community. Message me anytime you like. I'm definitely going to reply. I get response to lots and lots, about 200-300 of people almost every day on my WhatsApp, and I'm never tired, guys. So hit me up with your questions. I'm definitely going to reply you. This is not a goodbye for today, guys, but it's a good day. See you in my next video, guys.